Hey, today I'm unboxing the Tamron 17-70mm F2.8 zoom lens for Sony E-mount cameras. Before this Tamron lens, I was using the Sigma 18-50mm F2.8, which is a great lens, but only if you don't need optical stabilization. Since I film a lot of handheld videos, I decided to switch to this Tamron lens for my Sony ZV-E10 camera. I have been using this Tamron lens for a few weeks now, and I can say it's an amazing lens. It gives me extra zoom range, and the optical stabilization makes a huge difference for handheld video and photos. Next time, I will make a video with zoom and test footage. But for now, let's unbox this lens and mount it on the camera.